my dear friends! Today, we are going on a fun adventure to explore the city and learn many new English words about the road and our environment. Are you ready? Let's go!
My name is Sparky, and I am very happy to meet you today in this big city.
Look at these very tall buildings! The city is so big, and there are so many things for us to see. Do you see that red light? Red means stop. We must always wait for the light to turn green to cross. I smell fresh bread. This is a bakery. People buy delicious bread and sweet cakes from this shop here. I like to help people. Helping others is a very good thing to do. It makes everyone feel very happy.
Oh, thank you, young one. You're welcome. Look, a big blue bus is stopping. Many people use the bus to go to school or their offices every day. These flowers are so beautiful.
They are red, yellow, and purple. Nature is wonderful, even in the middle of a city. I have a map to find my way. Maps are very useful when you want to explore new places in the city. Water is splashing in the fountain. It sounds so peaceful. I love the sound of water on a warm, sunny day.
We must keep our city clean. Please always put your trash in the bin to keep the environment healthy and green. This is the city library. It is a very quiet place where people come to read many interesting books. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Reading books is like going on a great adventure. I love to learn new words and stories every single day. Look at these fresh red apples. Eating fruits makes us very strong and healthy. Do you like eating apples too? The yellow school bus is here. Children go to school to learn, play with friends, and meet their kind teachers. Listen, the big city clock is ringing. It tells us the time so we are never late for our important work. Oh, look! A little kitten is stuck on the tree. We should always be kind to animals and help them. Cats are very loyal friends. This cat is wagging its tail because it is happy to see me today in the city. Wow, this wall has a beautiful painting. Artists use many bright colors to make our city look so wonderful. I am posting a letter to my friend. We can send messages to people who live far away through the post office. This is a toy shop. It is full of robots, cars, and dolls. Toys are so much fun to play with together.
Wow, so many toys!
Be careful, this is a construction site.
Wow, a construction site!
Builders are working hard to make a new hospital for the city people.
I hear the ice cream music. On a hot day, a cold ice cream is a very special and tasty treat. Trees give us clean air to breathe and cool shade. We should plant more trees to help our beautiful planet. Police officers keep us safe. They are our friends, and we can always ask them for help if we are lost.
It's all right. We'll find your parents.
Oh, thank you, officer.
Riding a bicycle is very good exercise. It is also good for the environment because it does not use petrol. The baker wakes up very early every morning to bake fresh bread for everyone. He is a very hard-working person.
Wow, every morning?
That's right, young man. Fresh bread for everyone.
Thank you. These are shoes for running and walking. We must wear comfortable shoes to keep our feet safe and healthy.
Wow, cool sneakers!
This bin is for recycling. We can use old things to make new things, which helps in saving our Earth's resources.
Wow, that's cool!
It is!
Look left, then look right before you cross the road. Safety is the most important thing for all of us.
Okay, I understand.
Great! Now cross carefully. People make wishes at this fountain. My wish is for everyone to learn something new and be happy every day.
Welcome to the Toy Museum. The city is like a big puzzle. This map helps me find my way to the park, the school, and even my home. This rose smells wonderful. Flowers need sunlight and water to grow big and beautiful. Nature is so amazing.
That is a doctor. Doctors help us feel better when we are sick. We should always thank them for their hard work.
Look up! An airplane is flying very high in the sky. It carries people to different countries all around the world. Fresh orange juice is full of vitamins. It gives us energy to run and play all day long. Drink your juice!
The traffic warden is making sure that all the cars move safely. Following the rules keeps everyone safe on the road.
Listen to the music. Playing an instrument is a wonderful skill. Music makes the city feel very happy and lively. This sign says, "Do not litter." We must respect our city and never throw trash on the ground. Keep it clean. Children are playing together. Making new friends is the best part of being in the city.
Here, you can play. Yeah, let's share.
Sharing is caring, everyone. Look at the colorful fish swimming in the water.
Wow, they're so pretty. They breathe through their gills. What are you looking at?
The sun is starting to set.
Wow, the sky is beautiful.
The sky is turning orange and pink. It is the most beautiful time of the day. The street lamps are turning on now. They help us see the road clearly when it gets dark outside at night. The moon is coming out. It is almost time for all the little children to go home and have a good rest.
I am returning my book today. Always return things on time so that others can also use and enjoy them too. This is the exit. We have walked so much today. My legs are a little tired, but my heart is very happy. I have some vegetables in my bag. Eating green vegetables makes your eyes bright and your body very strong.
It is 8 o'clock. Time flies when you are having fun. It is important to follow a schedule every day. The city is becoming quiet now. Saying thank you is a very polite thing to do. We should thank everyone who helps us throughout the day. This is my small home. It is warm and safe. There is no place better than home to relax and sleep. I learned so many new English words today. Learning is like a superpower that helps us grow every day. I am drinking water before I go to bed. Keeping your body hydrated is very important for your health. I am turning off the lights to save electricity. We should always save energy whenever we can, my friends. I am ready for sleep now. Tomorrow will be another beautiful day to learn and explore something brand new.
I will dream about the big buildings and the friendly people I met. Dreams are full of magic and wonder. Good night, everyone. Be kind, stay safe, and keep